So in this room, we have a lot of hair. We have two main works, a series of hair drawings called Every Shape of Time, and this soap installation with hair as well, that is called The Shapes of the Instant. The idea behind this work, for example, was to focus on the shapes that we are living with our body in the soaps. We are kind of sculptures, and also we draw without being conscious some drawings with our hairs. Once you go back to your bathroom, you might see the hairs with a different perspective. You might look and find interesting drawings, and that will change your life in a way, your awareness in life, even though it's 1 second of it. The idea of the used objects is also reflected in the work Inner Garden, where I collected female bows from the underwear, and I make a garden with them. It's also nice to see the traces that the body is giving unconsciously in different objects like this. And it's also a dialogue between the public and the private. These two works are related also with sky, cielo, a work that is in the blue wall, and it's made of peeling off the wall and resembling these parts as clouds. It's inspired in a wall that I saw in Havana that was deteriorated, and I saw clouds. The common between these works is the paying attention to the discarded things in life that we usually don't see, don't think that are not important, but they can probably take us to a sublime state or sublime moment, no?